Yeah. Wait, really close, really close. I want to see your eyes. Some people are really close to us.
Alright, well let you go and you want to call me later?
Hey.
How are we doing?
How y'all doing? Okay. God bless y'all.
Okay, talk to you then.
Okay. Here.
Look at the sky. It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
See if you can see these stars up there, Josie.
You're really that far away?
See if you can see the stars up in the sky.
Stars?
Nope, no stars. No stars.
See if you can look at the sun.
Whoa. No.
How's your day going, Max?
Good.
You gonna tell me about it?
I forgot about it. Freedom Parks.
You want to tell me about it, Josie? Tell me about your day so far.
Oh, and if you look this way, it looks so far away. But it's really close.
Let's see you dance. Let's see a couple dance moves you got.
Dance moves. Just dance. Oh.
Okay, my turn.
Take it. You gotta take that thing off. You gotta take that around your neck. Take it off.
You want them?
Did you bring the sunscreen? Did you?
Nope.
That's what I was thinking. We should have sunscreen.
Okay,
Okay, I did all my dance moves.
You're so skinny.